Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video we are going to know the question answers of uh, second lesson of seventh class. So let's start. So here are our important points. Let's go to keywords. These are all the keywords: evaporation, cyclone, hail, human precipitation, and some of them are here. So let's move to question answers now. So here are the question answers. First one: explain how water changes into water vapor and how clouds are formed from it. So this is our first one. You can check in your textbook if the question answers are different or same. Then this is the second one. Where do evaporation and cloud formation takes place on a large scale? This is our third one. How do the clouds reach deep inland? So it is a very small question. This is the fourth question. It is simply like it is somewhat different one. So here we go. Then here is fifth one. This is sixth one. Seventh one is here. So it is should be done by the student. So it is written as student activity. So you can do it if you know, or else it will be difficult. So you can directly see eighth one. How can people be prepared to face the disasters? Ninth one. So here is some question and the remaining question is here. Answer is here. So this is 10th one. This is a activity. So you should collect pictures. You can print this and you can paste. This can be pasted. And then next question is to make a poster. And this is the answer should be written for 11th one.